will show you to make how to make a rocket ship. First, get 2 beams. Get 2 short beams. And make them last a size like a rectangle.
Nakita ko lang ba? Sila.
Put them with the strong rope. Just like this. Make it coffee the whole this. And put strong rope again. Remove down for short beams. And mix them up. And second spun. Sorry, there's ads. And put strong ropes to the rocket, put them together, and copy it. Put together like the same. And put them like large. Put them together with the fat rocket. Make the bigger one disable collisions. Then short beam. Like this short beam. Like B.
Thank you.
Sorry, that's my mom.
Let's go there on mirror.
Okay. Here? Okay, Del. So we just go see Kuya. But we're in the YMCA. That's where Kuya lives. And my house is too far. Thanks, Mama. Make the short beam like this, then put it to a strong rope. Put the rope like this. Coffee this.
Where's Kuya?
Put them like sharp. And put it in coffee. Make them right. Put the strong beans into the box or triangle. And the bean.
Let me see if you have internet.
Mommy wants to see my internet, so that's okay. And look, this is how you make a rocket. We're not finished yet, but don't leave yet. Make the character that you want in the NPC. Oh, yep, but it... Oh, ads again. And make the character wear something. Like space helmet and space suit. Make them wear them. This is how you work. I'm sorry, something's wrong here. Okay, so and place 3 toglets. So that's us upfront here. Make them freeze. Then make a camera screen. Make it big. Just like this. Freeze it again. Then add camera. Disable collisions. Attach to the beam. And then make the camera to 4 and make it to 4 channels. Open it and open it.
Go there na
Disable collisions. Sorry. There, sit there.
Ito yung totoo. Okay, I want the
Sir, it's a little bit of lag.
Ikat na ganito ba?
No, it's okay.
Saan ka magsisit? Ay, ganon?
Just make it in
Your bag.
make the camera
Go! Nagpalit ka na ng jersey mo? Come on, let's go.
make disable the shot beam and do something.
Babad ka sa ano?
Just wait, I just need something.
You're back. You're back.
Okay, so wait.
Where do you study? Where? Huh? Aurora?
We do need fire extinguisher. Oops, sorry, I forgot to remove the 1000. Whoa! Be careful!
Then they're playing basketball. That's it. Di ba ginagawa ko ng dalawang jersey? Ginamit ko yung isa kanina?
Do you see this number? 4? Connect the tablet to 4 there. Now your rocket ship is now done. Have fun with your rocket ship.